Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to a quick tester tech video. And I want to show you something that I saw on Reddit, and I was actually looking for that for some time, and a user created a post, my bloated config, user aeonsec, and I thought, well, this is exactly what I was looking for. So let me play the clip. So here you see a thumbnail viewer is spawned. It's actually quite clean, this one. So my script is not that clean, but you can see a directory is scanned and thumbnails are shown. And the user selects an image, I thought this one, and presses some key, and then it automatically picks up the image and runs the Pywal and generates the color schemes. Let me show it. So this is now a background image, and as you can see here, enjoy your new color scheme. It's automatically applied as well. So yeah, I thought that was pretty cool, and I was actually looking for that. So I asked a question, and the user was so kind to point out that the dot files where to find the specific. So here are the dot files. So I have the link to this repository in the description below. But let me show you how it looks for me. So let's open up a terminal now. And what it does is the image viewer, T-T, and that is thumbnail browse mode, wallpapers. So then it will trigger this one, and you can select it. And for this to work, this is just the image viewer. For this to work, you must trigger the image handler. And that's done by pressing Ctrl X. So let me show screen key. Screen key is now activated. So if you go Ctrl X, it will trigger an image handler script. And then you would press a key. For example, W. So I put it in my script as W, and then it will run a wall. So let me show you. So I have it mapped in my i3 configuration. So let me show you. i3conf and search for wall paper. Screen key is in the way a little bit. There you go. So this one, so the mod shift W will execute Dunstify, that's for the notification here. And having the hint, Ctrl X and press W to select wallpaper. And then after that, run that image viewer with thumbnail on the picture directory. And that's the whole thing. So if I do that, you have this one, and let's see this one, for example, press Ctrl X and then W, and then you see stuff happening, and it applied it, and you see new color scheme applied from the wallpaper, this one, and the color scheme is also applied to console. So if you're curious how to link all these programs together, I will imagine you maybe are. And I have a link to my whole i3 Rising videos. So go through them in chronological order, I would say. But also feel free to reach out if you are stuck somewhere. So as you can see, NeoFetch is updated here. Just a quick reminder, that's the profile here. So appearance, I have the color scheme generated by wall selected, and it's one of the actions of my own Pywal script. So let me quickly show you the Pywal scripts. Pywal.h. Here, this is the one. So there's the console here, the wall file, the row v, polybar. It's all being updated like I showed you in previous episodes. All right, so the handler is also good to show you that. So in the directory, let's go vim config sxiv exec key handler. So this is the file key handler. You must make it executable. And this is the whole thing. I have the link here to the repository and the Reddit post. And as you can see here, case 1 W, and it runs the my script Pywal script, but the original will just run wall. That will also work, of course, but I adjusted it to run my own Pywal script because it has some more actions behind it. Yeah, and then kill dunst, kill the image viewer, and send a notification. And this other one I do not use, but left it in there anyways. Just to reiterate, super W capital, and let's select this one, Control X W. It will select it and open up a new terminal. You have the new color scheme supplied here, as you can see. So yeah, pretty cool. So props to the original poster, and yeah, have fun playing around with it, and of the links in the description. And that's just about it. See ya.